Hi everybody! In this video I show you how to make miniature books and comic books. This is everything you will need. Little book covers, cardboard or foam board, old folders, glue and scissors. I start with this little comic book. Cut the cover out and glue it around an old folder. The pages of this folder are glued together. There are also folders with staples. You can also use these and glue the cover around the staple, so that the pages don't fall apart. When this one is dry, you can cut it out. I continue with these 4 little books. For these books I use cardboard. Because we need a whole lot of books, we also make little books that you can't open. But they look really good in a bookcase or on a stack. Glue the covers on the cardboard and cut them out when they are dry. For the last one I glue a cover on foam board. That is really easy to cut and it's nice and thick. When it's dry, you can cut it out. Look, we made a whole lot more and filled all the bookcases. Let me know if you also made one of these items. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye bye.